Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about how to join a portal for content writing. Our portal will be edupop.org. So to join this portal, you will get invitation link to join it. So first of all, check your mail. Here you will get some invitation like you are invited to become the author of edupop. Then click on that link. Here will be option to accept invitation. Click on this accept invitation. After clicking on this, the WordPress link will open. Then here you have to choose a username. So here you can choose some username. And then you can choose some password. Password should be a combination of capital letter, small letter, digit and a special character. So you can choose it, then click on sign up and join. You can set the password. If you have already joined, then click on login. You can click on send me a login link. Then WordPress will send you a link. Then again check your mail. A link to login will be sent from the WordPress. You can click on that link. After clicking on the link, you will have to click on continue to WordPress. Then automatically you will be logged into your account. So we can join this portal. Now after joining the portal, first of all cross check that you are using this default site will be edupop.org. You might have joined other portals, so here you can switch which portal you want to write. So here we have selected edupop.org. Then you can either click on this plus symbol, write new article, or you can click on this add new post. So we can click any of these options, add new post. After clicking on this option, a new window will open. Here you will see there will be option to write title of the article, and you can start writing the content of the article. So here we will start writing the title. What are benefits of internship? Then you can start writing the content. So you can keep writing. Then you can add some paragraph. You can add some images. Click on this plus symbol. Then you will have option of adding images. Click on this image option. After clicking, you can select images. So click on select images. Then you can choose from free pixel photos. Here you can write text like training related to your topic. You can search any term. So if you wish, you can choose these images and you can select insert. Then this image will be added. Now click on this gear symbol here. Then you have to click on post. Then choose any of the category that your article is related to. So it might be quotes, it might be some related to books or other. So select the suitable category, like we have selected education. Then we have to enter at least 5 tags. So tag will be related to your article, like the benefits of internship. What is internship? Online free internship. Like that you can add some tags related to your article. After doing this, you can also add featured images. If you wish, you can add featured images. You can either select from free, you can select from media library or pixel free photos. So we will prefer pixel photos. So here we will search about experience. So you can choose any related one. You can search any related terms here, and then you will get the related images. Then select one of the images which is suitable for your post article. So you can add this featured images. Then you have to click on publish the post. After clicking on the publish, it will be automatically published on the portal. After clicking, you can click on this link, view post. When you click on view post, you will see how your written article will appear on the website. Then you can copy the URL of the article and compose a mail and just send a mail to news@index.org for review and comment. So you can send this mail. Then our editors and reviewers will review your article and then can suggest what changes are to be made in your article so that you can improve your writing skills and you can do a better internship under our organization. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Then you can follow our website here, clicking on here, or you can enter your email ID and you can subscribe on this portal. If you like the article, you can click on star symbols, you can click on like symbols. So check your mail and start writing the content.